You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very common word in English that's important to be able to pronounce correctly. So let's break it down. Method, alright? So you have two syllables. Me, not me, me. Thud, alright? So it's not an O sound, it's a schwa sound, it's an sound for the second syllable. Thud. Both British and American English have similar pronunciations here. Method. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.